Hello doctors, welcome to Moxie. In this video, we are going to give you a demo of teleconsultation using Moxie platform. You can offer video consultation services to your patients and talk to them through live video and chat feature. After login to Moxie, go to telemedicine module by clicking at telemedicine icon. It will take you to the telemedicine appointment diary where you can manage all your teleconsultation appointments. You can view existing appointments for today and see the status whether appointment is complete or still due. You can search appointment for any specific patient name or number or for any other date. Here are some appointments booked by your patients. As you can see, some are already attended and some are pending. To view the details of attended consultation or to start the pending consultation appointment, just click on the appointment card. When you open up appointment, you can see reports shared by patients or any other query posted by them. At the top, click on the start video. It will start the video call. For the first time, if it asks permission, allow for camera and microphone. As patient will also start video from their side, you can easily consult your patient and give advice. During the video call, you can view previous discussions and prescription, old reports and patient queries at the right side live chat. In the live chat window, patient can share documents, pictures on real time, and you can also send them any educational material like link of videos and documents. You can also write a prescription as you speak to your patients. Just click on the notepad icon on the top right corner. A new window will be opened. Write your prescription easily and fast. Fill the necessary details and click on save. On save prescription, it will be stored in the system and it will be automatically sent to your patient. Patient can view this prescription at any time by going to the appointment records. After the appointment is finished, click on done and appointment will be marked as completed. You will land on the appointment page and appointment is attended. On the right side of the appointment card, you can also view your prescription. Now let's see how appointments can be booked online. There are 3 ways to book teleconsultation appointments. First, patients can book through patient portal or mobile app. Second, your assistant can book appointment in your diary in case patient calls up your clinic or assistant. Third, or you can also book an appointment from your side. Your patients can book their appointments from our Moxie app or from Moxie web portal. They just have to click on telemedicine, select your specialty, they can search your name and can easily find you. All the available days will appear on their screen. They will click on any day in which they are comfortable and they can choose the consult type from video and text. After that, they just have to select the available slot for consultation and select the user for whom they want to book the appointment. They can easily pay online from any payment option: card, net banking or UPI. After the payment process is done, your patient has successfully booked the appointment. Now to book the appointment from your side, you can go to your appointment diary. Just click on create appointment at the bottom. Enter patient details. Select the consult type. Payment status. For any special case, if you want to waive off the fee of the appointment, select the payment status as paid and patient will not be asked to pay fee before consultation. If you select payment status as unpaid while booking the appointment, then patient will be asked to pay consultation fee before they can start the live video call. This feature of waiving off fee for selected patients is only available to the doctor. After payment status, select the slot. You can also create your custom slot. After the slot is selected, click on the book now at the bottom, confirm the appointment and that's it. You have booked an appointment for your patient. When you book your appointment, your patient will also receive a text message with appointment details.